Have you ever thought which university you would like to study?
What you are looking for is a European university. This is the university that you need. At European University, you can experience anything.
Anything?
European University is the very place where your adventure in learning starts.
What are you waiting for?
Don't be afraid of challenges. This is the place where you can become professional. You don't see the only surface, also you do research for, the depth of the opportunities.
Do not be afraid. This is an imitation. You can experience anything you choose to learn.
We use the power of technologies for your future.
You're welcome to the world of technologies.
You will learn how to take care about your friend, our four-leg friend's health. We will take care about your leisure time. We will arrange your entertainment. If you wish to have unforgettable life while being a student, this is exactly what you will be met here.
The match is coming to its final. The score is 3-3, the most responsible attack of European University.
The most important is that everyone is your fan here. After all, you must be hungry. Here you can taste whatever you love. Because this is not only university, this is your European family.
So, what do you say?